Hi, Skip here. I want to talk to you about something at the line of affiliate marketing and a concept that I'm not seeing very much of, but that is powerful and what I would call the anatomy of both short-term and long-term income and stabilizing that income over time. How do you do that? Understand that the people in the world of online marketing that really make it big, the big income earners, all have multiple streams of income. And there's a lot of different ways that people approach it. However, I want to give you a core idea relative to that concept of multiple streams that has the most viability and strength. Part of the reason for multiple streams is because if one of them goes away and you only have one, you're in trouble. You want that balance to where you've got several solid, reliable streams of income. Saying that, there's a breakdown, and I'll break these down kind of one at a time. I'll try not to take too long on this. I just want to introduce the idea to you. There's three levels of income, or three sources that I want you to think about for a moment. There's the core product, there is the subscription models, and then the concept of adding in network marketing. So let's break that down just a little bit. Let's start with the core product. If you have a product that sells, you have a network marketing company, and you want to expand on it. And you might be, there's a lot of people that are out there that have signed up for various different network marketing companies, and they've had a struggle with it because the methods of building the business are becoming somewhat outdated. Most of the contacts are one-on-one. People have meetings, they have in-home parties, they have various ways of building the business, but at the end, it's all pretty much one-on-one small group type relationships that create that. And by the way, there's nothing wrong with that, and there's a lot of people that have a lot of fun with it, and they eventually they make some money and all that. That's all good. I'm not completely condemning the idea. I am suggesting, however, that there's a way to accelerate the process and do much more, much earlier, much quicker. Now here I want you to really think about this layout a little bit. I'm going to do a lot more on this, but I think it's one of the most powerful ways to build both short-term and long-term income. You have somebody that signs up in your network marketing organization. They're going to go out there and market, and you want them to succeed because you are in a network marketing company. You're going to make a percentage out of the network that you build, that network of people, representatives of the product. There is a percentage that you're going to earn off of their efforts. That's the beauty of network marketing, and that's why they call it network marketing. So you're going to get a percentage of that. Well, you have a primary product. Now, most companies with network marketing have additional products. Those are accessories to whatever that primary product is. And they can be ongoing, auto ship products and that kind of thing. And all of that's really good. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But let's take that to another step, another level. If you can create a situation where in order to market that, you sign somebody up, they're selling the core product, they're doing well, but now they're wanting to accelerate their own marketing efforts. Well, what if you have a program you can offer them that teaches them how to do online marketing and build this thing in months where it would have otherwise taken years, and that the majority of the income that they're building from that other what we'll call a secondary source, that secondary source now, if it's based on subscriptions, this becomes really powerful. Let's just a little math here. Let's say that you got a subscription worth $20 a month. Well, if that's put $20 a month in your pocket, 100 of those is $2,000 a month. But what if you have several subscription products that are producing $20 a month, up to, let's say, 5? That's just at that, 5 products with 100 people is $10,000 a month that you're making off of subscription models. It gets rather interesting rather quickly over time. So I'm not going to dwell on this a lot, but I'm introducing the concept of the idea. So what if one of the things you're doing along with your network marketing product is you're also marketing a program that teaches people how to be successful in building their business online? Now they've got an expansion of income opportunities in what they're learning and in these subscription models. Now, what are the subscription models made up of? It's really simple. Digital products. You go online, if you're going to market, you're going to have an autoresponder like Aweber or MailChimp or GetResponse. There's a bunch of them. You're going to have one of those. You're going to have something, if you're smart, you're going to learn how to use capture pages or landing pages. So there's a program for that called ClickFunnels. That's probably one of the best in the industry. It's certainly what I use. That is another source of monthly income and can be pretty healthy, actually. So that's a subscription model. Now pay attention to this really closely here, because these are subscription models not based on hardcore products. Hardcore products or consumable goods are those things that require warehousing and shipping and handling and all that kind of thing. These are all digital products that you can access online, and you don't have to worry about running out of stock or paying a high price for them that is ridiculous because of all the shipping, handling, and returns and all the rest of the kind of thing that you deal with. So then you might have another one. ClickMagick is one that deals with building custom URLs for the purpose of tracking. There's lots of those. There's lots of those. But those are all elements that you might use in your marketing. So now you have people coming in and they're learning how to market. They're using the tools to market, and every one of those tools becomes a monthly source of a subscription model source of income for you. Not bad, huh? Now here's the beauty of this. You take all of this. You take the core product. Which could be, again, a particular network marketing product. You take the secondary products of whether that's subscription, preferably subscriptions, preferably, or whatever that, along with whatever auto ship you have in your network marketing model. And then you look at network marketing overall and the long-term difference between that and some of the other products. Because long-term in network marketing, even when you step away, that continues to operate. I have friends that in network marketing that for years have been making an income on network marketing, and they've been inactive for years. So there's a value to that. And how you select that network marketing product now, when you look at that, that's also an important issue. You want to make sure you're with a company that's been around a long time, that is stable, that has proven itself, and that it has a universal appeal. So when you select your network marketing product, again, if you're looking at products that are going to require shipping and handling and all those kinds of things, that can be kind of an issue or a bit of a stumbling block along the way. So I really prefer those situations where pretty much everything you do is in a digital format, and preferably a digital format where you can access it online, but you don't necessarily have to download it on your computer. You just have access to all these things. Well, now you're talking about stable long-term income that has a huge residual effect to where it's ongoing, and secondarily that it's passive. Because if you've got a product that teaches people how to market online and they need these various tools that are online tools, well, they need those things. They're automatically going to purchase those. You don't have to sell the autoresponder. You don't have to sell the ClickFunnels. You don't have to sell those things. They're things that people are going to need anyway. So now you're making money off the subscriptions for those products. Now, this is just a quick overview of a concept, and I'm not going to spend a lot more time on this. I just want to introduce this concept to you. Now, my website, I dig into this a lot deeper. I would suggest that you go there and whatnot and take a look at this. How can you most efficiently have a long-term stable income that has the passive factor that you've built a built-in passive income that you don't have to sell every product, and the long-term residual income, and the exponential growth of a network that continues to pay you 24/7 regardless of what you do. Now you talk about long-term stable income and time freedom on your part, because you've set yourself up to market the core product. That's where your marketing goes, and everything else just kind of happens automatically along the way if you're doing it, if you're smart about it. So this is a concept I want to share with you. It may be a little bit complex to put into a 10-minute video. But there's lots of information on my website about this and how you can build something that's really stable. So with that, I'm not going to spend a lot more time on this. I just wanted to introduce this idea to you and invite you to my website. And I've also got some things that you can tap in to see what the possibilities are for building your business online. So having said that, I want to thank you for watching, and I would encourage you if you could share, like. I love the likes and the comments and whatnot on the videos. That really helps. And so if you could do that, I appreciate it. And I've got lots of videos on these topics, so thank you for taking a few moments with me. And with that, I wish you well. I hope you're a person that I can touch bases with, get to know a little bit. Feel free to leave comments on the website, and I will talk to you again soon. Thank you. Lots more to come. God bless.